How to go live on Discord. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you go live on Discord. To go live on Discord you need to first join voice channel. So basically what you need to do is open up Discord, and then you want to make sure to tap on your server. First of all, open that, and next what you have to do is you simply want to go ahead and open up the go live options. So what here you need to do is at the bottom of the screen you could select the application of your entire screen. So this is actually a text channel, so I'm going to go with the voice channel and then click on voice channel. And when you actually go ahead and click that up, you could see the go live option. You just need to click on the button to start the streaming, and you could also start streaming from your mobile device and by joining the voice channel just like this. Swipe up to open the menu and tap the share your screen button, and that is how you'll be able to go live on Discord. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.